Friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you are subscribed, please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get my next video updates almost instantly. Thank you. So welcome friends. This is my second video in the topic of the technical indicators. So last video we have covered the ADX indicator. So the next indicator in the list is ATR bands. So in this video I am going to discuss about ATR bands indicator. Before I start, just introducing myself. I am Indrajit Mukherjee. I have founded stockmaniacs.net. So if you wish, you can connect to me in my website at www.stockmaniacs.net. So now let us start the webinar. So before coming to the ATR bands, let us understand what is ATR indicator. So ATR or average true range indicator was introduced by J. Wallace Wilder in his 1978 book New Concepts in Technical Trading Systems. So Mr. Wilder has introduced this ATR indicator, and this is a basically volatility indicator. This indicator focuses on the degree of price volatility in a stock. So how much volatile a stock, ATR indicators finds that. So average true range is the true range calculation over a 5-day or 10-day or 21-day period average. So that is ATR indicator. Now let me show the ATR indicator in the charts. Suppose this is Zerodha Kite chart, Nifty 50. Let me attach the ATR indicator, the average true range indicator. The default period is 14. So as we discussed here, either 5-day or 10-day or 14-day or 21-day, whatever you can calculate. So this is a 14-day ATR. So you can see wherever the ATR indicator is moving on the downside, it is low. The volatility of the particular Nifty 50 here, it is also low. But whenever the ATR indicator rises, the volatility also rises. So every day the price moves in volatile way. So you can see how much big candles this Nifty is making. This is a very big candle. This is another big candle, big candle, big candle, big candle. All these candles are big. And whenever this ATR is low, you can see the smaller candles are happening. All these candles are smaller candles. So whenever ATR indicator is low, the volatility is low, and whenever the ATR indicator is high, the volatility is also high. So ATR is basically a volatility indicator. So let me delete the ATR indicator. Let us come back to the slide. So how does the ATR bands indicator now looks like? So we have already seen ATR indicator. Now what is ATR bands? It looks like a typical band, has similarity with Bollinger Bands to some extent. So it is just like Bollinger Bands. You can see there is a band. This is surrounding the price. So this ATR bands indicator is made of 3 lines: upper band, ATR and lower bands. So it is made up of 3 lines. The upper band is also known as the upper price range, and lower band is known as the lower price range. So the calculation of the ATR bands. So ATR, we already knew that the ATR is calculated as per J. Wallace Wilder's formula, and these ATR bands are calculated by adding or subtracting a multiple of average true range to the daily closing price. So whenever we are forming the upper band, we are adding a multiple of ATR to the close, and whenever we are creating the lower band, we are subtracting the multiple of ATR from the close. So for the high low option, the multiple of ATR is added to the daily low and subtracted from the daily high. So this is the calculation part. I am not going into detail of the calculation part because our main motto is to make you understand how the indicator works. So how to trade with the indicator. Now let us come back to the Zerodha Kite chart. So this is Nifty 50s chart. Let us add the ATR bands indicator. For this we need to go to the studies section, and in the studies section we need to write ATR bands. So ATR bands, you can see the ATR bands have come. So this is the parameters. So by default the period is 5 and shift is 3. We can change these as per our needs, but let us keep it as the default. And there is the color. You can change the ATR bands top color, ATR bands bottom color, and the ATR bands channel color. So let us keep it default. We click on done, and the ATR bands indicator is now on the charts. So we can see the ATR bands is a band like indicator. Whenever the price is moving up, it is also moving up. Whenever the price is moving down, it is also moving down. But how to trade it? So friends, now let us come back to the point how to trade with the indicator. If the price of the stock touches or penetrates the upper band, the trader assumes that the stock will continue to move upwards and vice versa. And if the price moves around the middle zone of the band, we can assume that the stock is in a sideways trend and stop taking a positional view on the stock. If the bands move in a very narrow range, after that the trader can go with the breakout or breakdown. This is similar to the Bollinger Band squeeze system. So now let us see it in the live chart. Whenever we are seeing that the price is piercing the bands, suppose here the price was actually moving in between the bands, suddenly here the price has pierced the band, so this is a sell signal. So this is a sell signal. I'll show you some more examples. You need to look for a sudden piercing. Price was here. This is another point. Price was here. Suddenly we saw the price pierced the indicator. So this is another sell signal. So in this way you can trade. And also in the next one, if the band moves in a very narrow range, after that the trader can go with the breakout or breakdown. So you need to identify a narrow range of the band. For this you need to minimize the bands. Suppose this is a very narrow range. This is a very narrow range, and from there, whichever direction the price has moved, this is a very narrow range. This is you can see the band has squeezed, and from there it has broken down on the downward side. So you can see this is a opportunity to take the sell trade. You can see from there the price has moved down a lot. So this is the two ways to trade the ATR bands indicator. For more information on the ATR bands indicator, you may visit my blog post. So the link of the blog post will be given on the video description. This is my blog post that I have written on the ATR bands. I have made you understand how to trade with the ATR bands indicator. We have given example of ATR bands indicator on some other platforms also. So how to trade with the indicator, this section is there. But in my opinion, I do prefer Bollinger Bands more over the ATR Bands, because Bollinger Bands is a much more easier indicator to trade. So friends, we have already seen how the ATR Bands indicator works. If you have liked the video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe my YouTube channel. And once you are subscribed, do not forget to hit the bell icon, because in that case you will get my next video updates instantly. You can also join my trading team by opening a trading and demat account with me. To join me, just WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID to +91 96743 21856. I'll repeat the WhatsApp number once again. It is +91 96743 21856. So friends, let us meet in some other day, in some other webinar. Till then, I wish you loads of luck. Thank you.